When it comes to PEB designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading name in the industry. With years of experience and expertise in the field, SCON Design has established itself as a trusted and reliable provider of PEB design services. The company is known for its innovative and sustainable designs that cater to the specific needs of clients across various sectors. PEB designers play a crucial role in the construction industry, as they are responsible for designing pre-engineered buildings that are efficient, cost-effective, and durable. SCON Design understands the importance of these factors and strives to deliver designs that not only meet the requirements of their clients but also exceed their expectations. Their team of skilled and experienced designers utilizes the latest technology and software to create detailed and accurate designs that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is committed to delivering high-quality designs that adhere to international standards. In addition to their expertise in PEB design, SCON Design also offers a range of other services such as structural engineering, project management, and construction supervision. This comprehensive approach allows clients to benefit from a single point of contact for all their design and construction needs. It also ensures seamless coordination between different aspects of the project, resulting in a smoother and more efficient construction process. When it comes to PEB designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a trusted choice for clients looking for innovative and sustainable designs. With their personalized approach, attention to detail, and commitment to excellence, they have established themselves as leaders in the industry. Whether it's a small-scale project or a large commercial complex, clients can rely on SCON Design to deliver high-quality designs that meet their specific requirements. When it comes to finding reliable and experienced PEB designers in Yelahanka, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd stands out as a top choice. With their expertise in pre-engineered building, PEB, design, SCON Design has established a strong reputation for delivering high-quality and innovative designs for a wide range of projects. Their team of skilled designers combines creativity with technical knowledge to deliver cost-effective and sustainable solutions for clients across various industries. As one of the leading PEB designers in Yelahanka, SCON Design understands the importance of creating structures that are not only aesthetically pleasing but also structurally sound. Whether it is a warehouse, factory, or commercial building, SCON Design ensures that every aspect of the design is carefully considered to optimize functionality, efficiency, and durability. What sets SCON Design apart from other PEB designers in Yelahanka is their commitment to delivering innovative and sustainable solutions. Their team stays updated with the latest